In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I bet you didn't know why Eid al-Ghadeer is celebrated with such reverence. Today we uncover the profound significance of this day. Eid al-Ghadeer, also called the Day of Ghadeer, marks a pivotal moment in Islamic history. On the 18th of Dhul Hijjah, 632 CE, Prophet Muhammad gathered thousands of followers at Ghadeer Qum, a spot between Mecca and Medina. He raised Hazrat Ali's hand and declared, "Whoever I am, his Mawla, leader, Ali is his Mawla, leader." This proclamation established Hazrat Ali as his rightful successor. Eid al-Ghadeer isn't just historical, it's a cornerstone of leadership and unity in Islam. It underscores the importance of guidance and continuing the Prophet's teachings through his appointed successor. On this day, Shia Muslims worldwide celebrate with prayers, gatherings, and acts of charity. Communities recount the event, share meals, and reflect on values like loyalty, justice, and righteousness. Eid al-Ghadeer teaches us about leadership based on knowledge, piety, and justice. It inspires us to uphold these values in our lives and support leaders who embody Islamic principles. Thank you for joining us. If you found this insightful, share and subscribe for more enriching content. Wishing you a joyous and blessed Eid al-Ghadeer.